10 morning habits to supercharge your muscle growth. What if I told you the secret to bigger muscles isn't some crazy workout routine or a magic supplement? It's about setting yourself up for success from the moment you open your eyes. Your morning sets the tone for your day and ultimately, your results. Think about it. You wake up groggy, slam some coffee and rush out the door. Does that sound like a recipe for a killer workout and optimal muscle growth? Probably not. Let's dive into 10 muscle building habits that are easy to adopt and powerful enough to change your game. You wake up in the morning, you're thirsty, right? You haven't had anything to drink for like 8 hours. So what's the first thing most people reach for? Coffee. But think about it. Your body has been running on empty all night, you're dehydrated. You need water first. Overnight you lose water through sweat and breathing. Dehydration can wreck your workout, make your muscles weak and slow down recovery. One study found that even being a little dehydrated can make you 2% weaker and sap your power by 3%. So before you even think about that cup of joe, chug a big glass of water. This rehydrates you, gets your system going, and preps your muscles for whatever you throw at them that day. If plain water is too boring for you, squeeze some lemon in there, a little apple cider vinegar. Boom! Flavor and health benefits all in one. Alright, so you've had your water, now it's time to feed those muscles. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and I'm not just talking about getting energy. You've been fasting all night, and your body is in a catabolic state. A high-protein breakfast slams the brakes on muscle breakdown and shifts your body into muscle-building mode. Think about it like this. You're giving your body the building blocks it needs to repair and grow those muscles. What does a high-protein breakfast look like? 3 scrambled eggs with some whole grain toast and a side of avocado, or maybe some Greek yogurt with berries and a scoop of protein powder. Get creative, but make sure you're getting that protein in. Listen, we're all busy, but if you're serious about building muscle, you've got to plan your meals. Take 5 to 10 minutes each morning to map out your meals. What are you going to eat? When are you going to eat it? It doesn't have to be complicated. Just jot down your protein source, your carbs, and your veggies for each meal. For example, I might have some grilled chicken with quinoa and steamed broccoli for lunch. And don't forget about snacks. Almonds, Greek yogurt, hard-boiled eggs. Keep those handy to keep your energy levels up throughout the day. When you have your meals planned out, you're less likely to make bad decisions when you're hungry and rushed. Alright, you've fueled your body, now it's time to get it moving. Don't wait until the end of the day when you're tired and stressed. Start your day with some movement, even if it's just for a few minutes. Morning movement wakes up your body and mind. It gets your blood flowing, boosts your metabolism, and tells your body it's time to go. You could do a quick 10-minute bodyweight circuit, 10 push-ups, 15 squats, a 30-second plank, repeat that 3 times. Or if you're feeling tight, do some dynamic stretches like leg swings and shoulder rolls. The point is, get moving. You'll feel more energized, focused, and ready to tackle the day. This one might sound crazy, especially after talking about getting warmed up. But trust me on this, cold showers are a game changer. Think about it. You step into that cold water, and instantly, your heart rate increases, your circulation improves, and your body starts working to regulate its temperature. It's like hitting the reset button on your nervous system. Cold showers are known to reduce inflammation, which is crucial for muscle recovery. They also wake you up faster than any cup of coffee. Trust me on that. Start by incorporating 30 seconds of cold water at the end of your regular shower and gradually increase the time. You'll feel more alert, focused, and your body will thank you for it. You've heard it a million times, but I'm going to say it again. Stretching is crucial. And no, it's not just for yogis or people recovering from injuries, it's for everyone. Stretching is like oiling the joints, making sure your body can move freely and efficiently. When you stretch, you're increasing blood flow to your muscles, improving flexibility, and reducing your risk of injury. Focus on dynamic stretches that involve movement, like arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. These types of stretches are ideal for warming up your muscles and joints, and they can even help improve your range of motion. Even just 5 minutes of stretching can make a world of difference. Alright, this one is huge, and I can't stress it enough. You gotta prioritize sleep. This isn't just about feeling rested, it's about giving your body the time it needs to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can actually break down muscle. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Your body thrives on routine, so try to stick to a regular sleep schedule as much as possible. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary, dark, cool, and quiet. Now let's talk about stress. We all have it, jobs, relationships, traffic, it's everywhere. But here's the thing, stress is a muscle-building nightmare. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, and as we talked about earlier, cortisol is a muscle killer. But there's good news. You can combat stress and lower cortisol levels with simple practices like meditation and breathing exercises. Just 5 minutes in the morning can make a world of difference. Even just a few minutes of deep breathing can help calm your mind, reduce anxiety, and lower those stress hormones. Alright, we talked about getting moving early, but let's take it a step further. Bodyweight exercises are a fantastic way to activate your muscles, fire up your metabolism, and get your blood flowing. The beauty of bodyweight exercises is that you can do them anywhere, anytime. No equipment needed. Push-ups, squats, lunges, planks, these are all incredibly effective exercises that target multiple muscle groups at once. Start with a simple circuit: 15 push-ups, 20 squats, and a 30-second plank. Listen, if you're trying to build muscle, you need to eat. And I'm not talking about just any calories, I'm talking about quality calories that will fuel your muscles and support your workouts. Don't be afraid to eat a substantial breakfast. It sets the tone for the entire day. Think of it like this: you're breaking the fast from the night before, and providing your body with the nutrients it needs to kickstart muscle growth. What does a substantial breakfast look like? How about a big bowl of oatmeal with a scoop of protein powder, a dollop of almond butter, and some fresh berries? Or maybe an omelet with spinach, tomatoes, and a side of whole grain toast. Eating more calories earlier in the day can also help regulate your blood sugar levels, which can improve your energy levels and focus throughout the day. These habits aren't just small steps, they're powerful tools that can transform your mornings and your results. When you commit to them, you're not just building muscles, you're building discipline, consistency, and a stronger version of yourself. Ask yourself, what kind of progress could you make if you followed these habits every morning? Remember, muscle growth isn't about doing one thing perfectly, it's about doing the right things consistently. Take ownership of your mornings and watch how they transform not just your physique but your confidence, energy, and drive.